Hello guys! Good afternoon from Portugal. Hola a todos. Boa tarde. Mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar a ganhar. Hoje eu tenho 10 euros sessão. Today I have 10 euro session, guys. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna use M2M, grab and gumball in this session. We're gonna start with Super 13. Okay, outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket is a matching numbers game, and if we uncover the number 13, we win 20 euro automatically. Okay, we're looking for 40 or 40, 26, 15, 36, 18, we're looking for 35, 14, 23, 31, 39, nada na manga. Looking for 25, 28, 38, 16 y 12. Nada. Okay, and here. Araña de suerte or lucky spider. We're looking for spider web to win the prize shown. A spider to win 20 euro automatically. Araña, guys, means spider. Suerte means luck. Let's hope we can find any win in this session. Any. Nada. B. Nada. 2 losers in a row. How about 20x? Let's hope we can find a multiplier. Looking for 16 y 24. 13. 29, 14, 31, 21, 15, 18, 23, 30 y 19. Oh meu Dios, nada. How about these 2 tickets? 32 y 33. Grande suerte or great luck. It's a matching numbers game. And if we uncover the symbol Ferradora or horseshoe, we win 5 times the price shown. Looking for 21, 25, 30, 26, 22, nada. 16, 11, 29 y 7. Nada. 4 in a row. How about this? Our last hope. We're looking for 25. 26, 27, 12, 23, 22, 13, 30, 28, nada. Nada na manga. The woman at the lottery store taught me these words. Vou pregar para outra freguesia, which means I'm going to preach another parish in English. Because there's no price. Nada na manga. Vou pregar para outra freguesia. Ciao!